Hey, what's up, everyone? I am Darkpool Algo, and thanks for joining me. Today is Tuesday, August 24th, 2021, and this is just going to be a real quick tutorial video on how to use the theoretical options price generator in thinkorswim. Now, there's always times where you're looking at you're looking at something and you're really interested in wanting to be able to purchase it, but you don't want to chase. Maybe you want to wait for it to pull back, but you don't want to overpay. So there's a neat little tool in here, and I'm going to show you how to get to it, how to use it, and answer any questions you may have. But before we get into that, I want to make sure you know a little bit about me. I am a smart money, dark pool, and block trade trader. I use a software called FlowTrade to help me find positions. I mainly trade options throughout the day. I've been doing this for years, and I love it. I love options trading. But more than that, I really like sharing what I can with people, because I know when I first got started out, it was really difficult for me to sift through all of the BS and all of the gurus and furus and everybody who wanted you to sign up and join their Discord and follow their group and this, that, and the other, and all they want to make a buck off of you, right? Everybody wants to charge for knowledge. So I don't really agree with that. And anytime I can take a few minutes, show you a little tool that may help you out in the future, that's all I want to do. I want everybody to succeed, and it's just, yeah, it's a sense to community, and it's for free. So with that being said, I'm going to take a moment to show my intro video, and all I ask for in return is you hit that like button, subscribe, and while you're at it, turn on notifications so that you can be updated anytime I put out any new stock market trading or stock market training technical analysis videos. Thanks for joining me. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So this is the thinkorswim platform that you see here. This is the trade all products options chain. Yours may look a little different. It may have different columns here, and that's okay. What I'm trying to show you is, if you were to click on under layout, clicking on layout, there is Theo, price, and mark. Go ahead and click on that. So what we're seeing here is we're looking at the Roku 355 calls. They're going for anywhere from 655 to 680. The last one was sold for 677. Currently at this time, I believe Roku is making a move. Let's see. Roku's kind of flatlined right now, which is fine. This will work good for us. So back to all products. All right. So what I'm interested in is if Roku were to, let's say, pull back $2 or $3. Not wanting to sit here and watch the stock forever and ever and ever, and knowing that if Roku does pull back to my designated level, let's say it's a 21 EMA, and I know that most stocks bounce when they hit the 21 EMA. They use that as a retracement to the mean. I could potentially put in an order knowing within a little bit of what the estimated options value is going to be on that pullback. So to get to that, what you would want to do is you want to click on this Theo price. It pulls up a dialog panel. You want to go ahead and click on the date that you're looking at. I'm looking at today's, right? Then at this point, what you can do is you can say, if the stock were to, and this is good for increasing or decreasing price action, if the stock were to decrease, let's say, I'm sorry, I've got it over here. I'm just trying to be a little bit more accurate with this. So it's currently trading at 353.62, and if Roku pulls back to 352.28, I would be interested in purchasing the 355 calls. So watch this. So they're trading at, let's say, 650 now. I click on this, and if Roku will drop $1.50, so I just go ahead and put a minus 1.50, right? What it does is it calculates the resulting stock price, right? 352.11, which is pretty close to where I'd want to get in. right? What that does is it shows you in this Theo price column over here on the left, and this is for calls. Instead of it being 655 or 640, the new price is 573. So what I could do is I could go ahead and click on that, and I could put in a buy order, a limit buy order at 575 to purchase the Roku call that would normally be about 650, and then that way I don't have to sit here stare at the charts all day, and potentially miss my entry if I got up to go to the bathroom, or just a million other things can happen during the day. This is also really good, so if you're looking to potentially get into an option in the morning, and you know what you're willing to pay for that option, you can use the theoretical price tool and say, well, if this stock drops this amount overnight or increases this amount overnight, this is what I'm willing to pay, and you can go ahead and put in your bid there. So just a real quick, cool little tool I found. Just wanted to quickly run over how to use it, and it also works for puts just as well. So let's say, if Roku decides it wants to raise, let's say it wants to, gain $3 for the resulting stock price to be 356 instead of 353, that would make these put options over here, instead of going for 510, they would be going for 640, right? Did you see there's a cool little trick there, right? So it's also a way for you to gauge what you want to sell your options for too. So if you know that if you buy your option while price action is one level, and you buy the certain strike, let's say that price increases by $3. Well, now you know that you can charge, instead of $6.40, you would be able to charge about $8 for it. So you can set your exit orders in there too. So really cool little tool. It's free. It's just part of Thinkorswim, and I just thought I'd bring it to you. So thanks for joining me. Once again, my name is Darkpole Algo. If you're interested, I stream on YouTube every morning, 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. Oh no, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, an hour before market open. I stream for about 30 minutes to go through stocks, options, and try to find some plays for the day. And once again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you hit me up in the comment section below, and make sure you like, follow, and subscribe on this video. Have a great day.